If you're running Facebook ads and driving people to your website, a landing page, or an Amazon product page, and you're seeing poor results, then you need to keep watching this video because I'm about to explain and teach you all about Facebook Canvas ads or instant experiences. They got like two names for these things. It's very weird, but basically it is a Canvas page, and it is this landing page that you can create inside Facebook, which loads instantly. You can autoplay videos with sound. You can use buttons, images, carousel images, videos, bullet point lists, headline copy. You can put a whole lot of multimedia in these Facebook landing pages. I like to call them Canvas pages or CPs. There's a lot of different names for them. Instant experiences, what Facebook calls them. It's weird, but they work really well. And in this video, I'm gonna be explaining everything you need to know about these Canvas pages, how to set them up, how to link them with ads, how to design them, all that kind of stuff. So keep watching this video. Before we jump into it though, I gotta tell you about two things. The first thing is my free course. I've got this free digital marketing course that's gonna teach you all about Facebook ads, how to build messenger bots, how to write powerful sales copy, and a whole lot more. You also get a free messenger bot template, and then you get 2 ClickFunnels templates to build landing pages inside ClickFunnels. And there's actually, the first template is lead gen, the other template is sales funnels. So there's a lot of good stuff in the course. Just head over to freebosslifestyle.com and get access to that free course right now. The second thing I wanted to tell you about is if you are needing help scaling your business, if you're frustrated with trying to run your own Facebook ads, Google ads, online sales funnels, things like that, and you want some expert help, you want a marketing partner that you can rely on that'll treat your business the same way that you treat your business, then I'd love to work with you. I'd love to jump on a phone call with you. So if you want to learn more about what our done-for-you marketing services entail, then head over to evolvemedia.agency. Go to the done-for-you services landing page, or in the nav bar, there's a link to head over to the done-for-you services page, and you can learn all about the services that we offer, and then you can book a call with me, and we can talk about your business and develop a strategy plan to help you scale your business. So now let's go ahead and jump into the Facebook Canvas page tutorial, teaching you all about how to set up Canvas pages, link them with ads, and then get a lot better results with your Facebook ad spend. All right, so like I mentioned before, there are a lot of benefits to Canvas pages. Now just to recap, immediate load times, like you click on the call to action button, or actually, going back to that, so in the Facebook ad, if you're running a video ad, the entire video is clickable. The entire video becomes a button. So if somebody clicks on that video, boom, it opens up your Canvas page. So benefit number one, entire video is clickable. You can also run image ads, and just like normal, the entire image is clickable, opens up the Canvas page. Now once inside the Canvas page, you got, well, it loaded instantly. It's like super fast. It's an instant experience, right? So it loads really fast. If you were to compare it, like do a split test between a landing page, a website, a Canvas page, Amazon page, your Canvas page is going to win hands down 100% of the time. I don't know what they do, but they made it load super fast. And then when the videos are inside the Canvas page, they autoplay with sound. Even if the phone was on silent, it will autoplay the video with sound in your Canvas page. So that could be a pro, could be a con. Some people could get annoyed of it. They can easily mute the video just by hitting the little speaker button in the top right corner, but I personally like that. So if I'm running a video ad, chances are they were watching that video ad without sound. Maybe they're just reading the subtitles, or maybe they watched a little bit of it, then they click on that video, boom, now they're watching the full video with sound in the Canvas page, which is pretty awesome. And then you can also put in headlines. You can edit the text to be larger, to be bold, to be italicized. You can do all kinds of crazy stuff with the text. You can just make it headline text. You can put in bullet points, make it smaller, make it paragraphs. So many marketers these days are trying to put in a ton of ad copy into their post description, and then they got the see more, and then it just opens up this massive paragraph. And I've never really been the type of marketer that likes to do that. I would prefer to use a Canvas page and format my text nicely, put in some images, put in some videos, and make it a lot more multimedia friendly and easier to consume, you know, bullet point, you know, instead of just having just this massive, just text really. So whatever you prefer. You can still do the same thing with a Canvas page and have it all just be text. Actually, one thing you need to know is you cannot do emojis. Emojis don't work in Canvas pages, so don't do emojis in a Canvas page. You can also do multiple videos. I'm saying one video, you put that at the very top, but you can do multiple videos. You just gotta make sure that as they scroll down, as that video comes into their screen, it's gonna start playing with sound. So you need to space out those videos accordingly so that they're a good bit of distance apart from each other. You don't wanna stack them on top of each other, or else you'll potentially have two videos playing at the same time, which would not sound too great. So you can put multiple videos in there. You can literally create a whole landing page experience that checks off all the boxes as far as social proof, features and benefits at the top, demonstration video, all that kind of stuff within a Facebook landing page, and they're free. You don't gotta pay Facebook. I mean, if you're running the ad, but honestly, even if you weren't running an ad, you can create one of these pages and just post it organically to Facebook. Now, some of the downsides of them is that they only work on mobile, which in my case is fine. 90% of my traffic and clicks when I'm running ads is mobile. So I wouldn't be too worried about just mobile only with the Canvas pages. Maybe down the line, they'll be desktop also, but they're only mobile. They don't fully replace your website because you can't purchase anything through the Canvas page. You gotta have a Shopify site, a ClickFunnels site, some way to process the payment, right? And they used to be able to have a lead form where you could capture name, address, email, phone number, all that kind of stuff. Now they don't. So they're taking that feature away here in the next couple of days. So you can't have a lead form. So my strategy and advice to you would be target the cold traffic with your Canvas page, get them consuming that information. Maybe you have a button that links over to your website or a place where they can purchase or fill out a lead form. But then you want to have a Facebook lead generation or a lead ad retarget everybody who already viewed your Canvas page, watched percentage of your video or whatever. So your Facebook lead ads are going to be retargeting the Canvas page viewers, and then that's going to be a better quality lead in general. I always like to do Facebook lead ads as a retargeting strategy. It just works a lot better. So that about covers all the good stuff about Canvas pages. They're really great to split test. It's pretty easy to do a lot of different split testing because you can simply duplicate it and easily change the copy and the images. I would recommend to you, don't get too crazy with this Canvas page, this Facebook landing page, and try to make it super long. Keep it somewhat concise to the point, because I would recommend to you having multiple of these, having like 10 of these, and then using your retargeting capabilities to use different Canvas pages in each retargeting ad that you have going. You could get super incredible with it and have a unique Canvas page for every unique video that you're running. So that video would match this Canvas page, and each creative asset matches a different Canvas page. And you can even go targeting wise. So with what we're doing with our Facebook ad management fee that we charge, we include building these Canvas pages in the cost. So we're usually building a Canvas page tailored towards men, a Canvas page tailored toward women, or we're breaking up the targeting to then target different Canvas pages that we create. So there's a lot of stuff you can do with this. I think, anyway, let's jump into what this stuff is all about. Okay, so as you can see here on my screen, we're looking at the Facebook business page and what they're explaining with their instant experience. So with the campaign objectives, you can run traffic campaigns, brand awareness, reach, engagement, conversions, video views, store traffic, app installs. I typically use the traffic campaign and I optimize for landing page views. Facebook considers a landing page view them opening up the Canvas or Canvas page instant experience. So I typically use the traffic objective optimizing for landing page views, because Facebook does a really good job of getting me some low cost landing page views when I do this, but you can also use conversions and video views, stuff like that. How Facebook says to choose the objective based on the instant experience is what your goals are, right? So if you're trying to optimize people to open your instant experience, then do traffic. If you want to get clicks to your website, then you should do the conversions campaign. So kind of picking a conversion event that's deeper in your funnel. Maybe it's page view, maybe it's add to cart, initiate checkout, stuff like that. If you want a lot of people watching your video, which is another great Facebook strategy, is run a video views campaign with a video, get a whole lot of people watching that video, and then retarget everybody who watched like 75% or more of that video, or 95% of that video, 50% of that video. You can retarget them with a separate ad, lead ad, or a conversion ad, or traffic ad, and stuff like that. So that's pretty much the campaign objectives that you can use with this, pretty much every single campaign objective. So now let me show you, let me jump into my Facebook fan page and I'll show you how we've created some of these Canvas pages and what they look like. All right, so if you don't even know how to get to the place in Facebook to build these Canvas pages, here's how you do it, right? We are right now in the back end, in the publishing tools area of the Facebook fan page. So if publishing tools is not in your top nav bar, then you're gonna wanna click on the more drop down and then it should be in there. Publishing tools are in there. So once you're in the publishing tools area, scroll all the way down and in the bottom left, there is this instant experience canvas. You click on that, you scroll back up, and now you can create a brand new one. So let me show you what these look like. So I'll show you the one that we created for the course. We run this as an ad telling people about the free course. This is what it looks like right here. Basically, we recreated the ClickFunnels page that we have, and we created it in Canvas. So it's got this headline, it's got a video. Again, that's gonna autoplay with sound, got a bullet point list, telling them about what's inside the course, and then we have a call to action button right here. Now this actually links them into Messenger. So we're using the Messenger ref URL, linking them into Messenger. It actually worked fairly well. There is some issues with the Messenger ref URL. Sometimes you gotta use a keyword because it doesn't always fire the message and stuff. Also, you can pin a button to the bottom of the screen. So if you look down there, you'll see that there's a button just static at the bottom as I scroll up and down. So as you can see, I went with 2 videos in this canvas, and one's at the bottom, one's at the top. And it's fairly simple. There's not a whole lot of copy, not a whole lot of information. It's pretty straightforward. So what we would do with this is do a lot of split testing between it. And what I typically tend to do is just drive them to the ClickFunnels page, just because traffic is coming from YouTube. If you're driving traffic from YouTube or Google, you can't use Facebook Canvas pages, right? So with Facebook ads, I've done some split testing between driving them directly to the landing page or to the Canvas. And because this has the Messenger ref URL and it's a little bit confusing from the Canvas page, I tend to just drive them to the Facebook landing page, but I've had some really good results with this right here. So that's what one of the Canvas pages looks like. If I was to create a brand new one, this is what it looks like. You can add a component. You got a button, a carousel image that they can swipe left and right. You got just one photo. Just add in one static photo. It is clickable too, so you can actually make it look like it has a little button in the photo. So if you want to try and make people click on it, then you can. Text block, video, form. Now this is what I was telling you, that the form is going to be going away here soon, so it's not going to be available. You can actually put a product set. So if you run a Shopify store and you want to import in your products, you can do that. You have a header, all that kind of stuff. So I would actually also recommend to rename right here. Rename your canvas appropriately. We like to do the V1, V2, V3 type of thing when we're creating these canvases, because once you finalize it, like once you hit finish and it's done, you can't edit it again. You have to then duplicate it to make any edits to it. Also, I would recommend, as you're working on it and building it out, constantly be clicking the save button, because it doesn't automatically save. And if you exit out or your internet messes up, then you just lost it. So click save along the way. So now I'm gonna show you how to link this with a Facebook ad. Okay, so let's jump over to my ad account. All right, so here we are in my ad account. Now I'm gonna show you how to launch an ad, a conversions ad, optimizing for leads. So when people join my free course, once they go through the process of getting and creating their login, then it fires the lead conversion event. So that's a deeper in the funnel. It's a conversions campaign that's optimizing for something pretty deep in the funnel. Usually I would recommend optimizing for something higher in the funnel, because a conversions campaign needs a lot of data. So you need to have a high daily ad spend, like at least $100 a day, if you're optimizing for something low in the funnel, like an add to cart, initiate checkout, or a purchase, or a lead in this case. But either way, let's go ahead and hit the create button. And we're just gonna call it convert. We're gonna go to our conversions campaign. I always like to do campaign budget optimization. We'll just put it at $100 a day. And then you don't really need to name all that kind of stuff. We'll just go ahead and save it to the draft. Now we're gonna jump down to the ad level because that is where you link it with your Canvas page. So you gotta select the right page. That is my Facebook fan page right there. Now regarding Instagram and Canvas pages, my 2 cents is stay away. Don't do Instagram. You definitely can. I would separate those out. So create a campaign where you're only running Instagram ads and driving people from Canvas into that way, or have a campaign only for Facebook where you're driving into Canvas and pushing them that way. Don't do the campaign where there's both, okay? So it's pretty simple. All you do is you scroll down here to the full screen mobile experience and you click on add an instant experience. You're gonna wanna click on search for an existing experience and then select whichever one you want. Boom, now it's done and it's removed your multiple options of like website link and then like the newsfeed description or something. So it makes your ads a lot simpler because now you just have a post description area and you have your headline. There's no call to action button. It's just a little tiny arrow, as you can see in that area right there. So they're just gonna click on that anywhere, whether it's a video or an image, they're gonna click anywhere in that big creative area and it will open the Canvas experience. Make sure that your conversion tracking is on. I don't know why Facebook, so many times it defaults to this Facebook pixel off. It's very frustrating, but make sure that your Facebook pixel tracking is on. Put in your headline, you know, your post description text. Keep in mind that the headline copy, you can't have as much headline copy with a Canvas as you could with a regular link type of ad. So that is pretty much it with linking a Canvas page to your Facebook ads, creating a Canvas page in your Facebook fan page area, why Canvas pages are awesome, why you need to be using them. So again, if you haven't yet gotten access to my free course, head over to freebosslifestyle.com right now, jump in there. If you wanna jump on a call with me, we can strategize, talk about your business, talk about how you can grow it, and we can talk about our agency services and how we can help you with growing your business and the different services that we offer to create a great strategy plan that you can implement, that we can help you implement, messenger bots, Facebook ads, Google ads, all that kind of stuff. Go to evolvemedia.agency, head over to the done for you services area, and let's jump on a call. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to hit like and leave a comment below if you got value from this video, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.